Welcome to Hair Hacks, a series by Femina, where we show you how to up your hair game with no fuss hairstyles that look extremely chic. Start by drawing a center parting. Make a Dutch braid on one side and move downwards. Stop at the ear and tie the remaining hair into a messy bun. Secure the bun with a rubber band so that your bun stays in place all day. You can go ahead and loosen the braid for added effect. Repeat the same on the other side. If you prefer a more classic look, then go ahead and make the Dutch braids on either side. Move downwards and then tie a low, messy bun. Secure the bun with a rubber band. You can also use bobby pins and U-pins to keep the bun in place all day. So guys, hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. And also if there's any particular video that you would like us to make for you, then let us know in the comment section below and we'll try our best to make it for you. Until next time, stay tuned and stay unstoppable.